If you need Sugar Land, Texas storm damage repair, follow these crucial steps. These will increase the likelihood of your insurance covering your claim and prevent the damage from worsening. Firstly, you should act fast. Storm damage can grow worse over time. If you have a leak, for example, it can lead to mold and mildew. Not only is that stressful to deal with, but it's also a potential health hazard. Secondly, have your roofing expert inspect to determine if you have experienced storm damage. Houston Roofing was founded on the principle of integrity. We won't recommend you file a claim unless there is enough damage to support it. Third, it's time to contact your insurance company to start the claim process. It's far easier to talk to your insurance company with a roofing expert behind you who can back up the damage. Lastly, it's time to have that storm damage repair completed. At Houston Roofing, we aim to protect your home for years. We recommend annual roofing inspections to have our trained experts look for future damage. Don't hesitate when you need storm damage repair in Sugar Land, Texas, or in the greater Houston area. Call Houston Roofing and Construction at 832-237-3737 for a free estimate today.